How to use a pressure cooker or easy baked potato. Written instructions are also available in the description of this video. Place your cooker on the stove on medium to medium high flame or heat. Add your steel plate to the cooker and add enough water to submerge the plate. This is the water that will create the steam to cook your food. You may need to adjust the amount of water needed depending on the quantity of food or the density of the food that is being cooked. Get the cooker lid ready with its sealing ring in place. Place 4 medium Idaho potatoes on the plate. Align your lid onto the cooker where the arrows are indicated. Lock the lid in place by turning it clockwise. Now place the weight that comes with the cooker on top of the steam vent. Pressure cookers come in varying sizes. The one shown in this video is roughly 4 liters or 4 quarts in size. Notice how the pressure indicator is down. The pressure indicator will rise once enough steam pressure has built up. Here, the pressure indicator is up. Once the pressure has built, you may notice that the weight starts moving and that some of the water or steam is being released. Depending on the brand of cooker being used, a whistle will be sounded to vent the pressure. This is a Prestige cooker being shown in the video. The number of whistles can be counted to keep track of the cooking time, or a timer can be used to monitor the cooking time. The cooking time or the number of whistles will vary depending on the quantity of the food and the density of the food being cooked. Turn off the stove once sufficient time has passed, or 3 whistles in this case. Notice the pressure indicator is still up. Do not attempt to open the pressure cooker until the pressure indicator has dropped. Remove the weight and unlock the lid. Contents will be very hot, so be careful to avoid any steam burns. Handle the food appropriately and check to make sure the food has been cooked to satisfaction. Enjoy as baked potatoes. Or you can peel the potatoes and use for other recipes as needed. It is a time saver when cooking meat, lentils, and rice.